In this demonstration, I'm going to show you several of the options that are available for scheduling packages to run on a recurring basis on the COZYROC Cloud. I'm already logged into my account on the COZYROC Cloud. I'm on the Packages page, and I'm going to click on the package I'll be using for this demonstration. And then I click on the More button down in the bottom right corner and click on Schedule. I'll give it a name. And then I'll scroll down till I can see the timing section here, and I clicked on that, and I'm going to leave the schedule type set to recurring. And here under frequency, I've already done a video showing how to schedule it on a daily basis. And now I'm going to choose weekly so that you can see the options you get when you want to schedule a package to run weekly. Or you can actually say, run it every week. That would be a 1 here, or run it every 2 weeks. So you'd put 2 there. And then you choose the day of the week you want to run it on. Let's say I'm going to run it on Friday every 2 weeks. And then I can say just run it 1 time on that Friday, or I can say run it every 12 hours on that Friday every 2 weeks. And then I choose the time I want it to run. So let's say I'm going to have it run the first time and watch how I can stretch this out to go to the outer circle of numbers, or I can leave it short to do the inner circle of numbers for anything after noon up until midnight. And this is basically midnight till noon. So let's say I'm going to run it at 4 a.m. the first time. And then second time, if it's running every 12 hours, it'll run at 1600. So if I leave it set to, say, 22, and then I'll just do 0 there, that'll allow it to run the 2 times that are 12 hours apart. So I'll click OK there. And then let's say the start date is going to be next Friday, not this Friday, the March 12th. And then the end date, as far as how long I would want it to be running, I'll go to the end of the year, so December 31. So now I've shown you around on the weekly frequency choice. I'm going to reset everything on this form. And now I'll go to monthly. So you have a couple of choices here for how to choose when to run it on a monthly basis. I can run it on a specific date, and that I would be able to choose a range of 1 through 31. So let's say I want it to run on the 10th of each month, or I want it to run on the 10th every other month, or let's say every 3rd month, so it runs once a quarter. And then here again I have the choice of occurs once or every so many hours. So I've already showed you how to do that. So I'll just leave it to run once at, let's say, at the end of the workday, so about 1800 hours would be about right, 6 o'clock in the evening. And then again, I choose when it's going to start running. So this one now will choose to start this Saturday, March 6th, and then choose an end date that's, out a ways. Okay, so I'll reset everything one more time. And now I'll show you frequency again of monthly. Instead of on a specific date, I'll choose on a day. So then the choices are, it could run, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, or last Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So let's say the third Saturday of the month. And I'll have it run every month. And I'll just leave it set to occurs once. Again, you could have it run every couple hours or however you want to do it. And again, we pick a start date and end date, so you've already seen how to do that. So anyway, I think we offer enough options that you should be able to schedule your packages to run in any sort of time frame that you want them to run. Thank you for watching.
Are you tired of updating packages because of changing metadata? How many hours have you spent accommodating new source and destination columns? How many nearly identical packages do you have to maintain? Especially when you need to update hundreds of them. Well, you should check out COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus component. Dataflow Task Plus provides the ability to acquire the metadata and map the columns at runtime. You can even use transformations on the data. Just add the changes at the source and destination, execute, and Dataflow Task Plus will handle the process of extracting, transforming, and loading the desired columns from the source to the destination without a need to change the existing package. It works with any standard SSIS Dataflow components, transformations, and application adapters. No more manual package updates. Design your SSIS data flows with Dataflow Task Plus and save hundreds of hours. A vision of completely metadata-driven processing is now possible. Download COZYROC's Dataflow Task Plus from COZYROC.com. It's free for testing and development within Visual Studio.
If you'd like to follow us on social media, here's how you can do that.